will make the perfect set
I
dressing.
can't undo his spell. Not while he's fighting me. You have to be the ones to stop this.
I'll try not to break you too much. The puppet's dance. I'll teach you the steps. So, merely pulling the strings will not be enough. Then allow me to be direct. This is a vessel befitting my power. Sir, no! My beautiful masterpiece! How